Hi, in today's video we are going to see how we can add header and footer in our worksheet. So let me open my workbook. In today's topic we are going to cover how we can insert a header and footer, how we can modify it, and if want to remove it, how we can remove it, how we can insert an image on the header and footer, how we can add a date and time, and the page number. So let's say start. I have opened one spreadsheet where I have mentioned some employee data, which is like serial number, employee name, month, hours, how many hours work, sales, price, amount, what is the bonus, what is the tax, and what is the net payment. So here I wanted to add header and footer. So how to add it? We have to click on insert, and then here sometime on the front you will be able to see header and footer. If not, then click on this drop down, and there you will be having header and footer. So click on that, and as soon as you click that, you will be getting a window like this. Before that it was different way, now it is view is changed. So now header and footer, this is the like, and you will be seeing this tab header and footer get highlighted. So where we will be having various kind of commands available. One is header. If you click on that, it will go on the header. If I click on this, it will go to the like what is the what are the action we have to perform on the footer. It will be visible. Now first thing we will see what is the header and footer elements. In that, what are things we have. These are things we can add. We can add page number, we can add number of the pages like 1 to 2, 2 to 3, right? Like that we can add. Then current date and time, we can current date we can enter, we can current time we can enter. Then file path. File path is nothing where this file is currently available, it will give the path of that file. File name, what is the name of this file, it will get printed. And sheet name, if you want to add what is the sheet name, we can add that one also. And any picture we can add that. So let's see. In header we will be having 3 element, like one we will be having at the left side, another middle, and at the one is the at the right side. If you scroll down, similar way we will be having add footer. If I click on the add footer, if you see, we have the left side something, in middle we have, and right. Any of these elements whichever we have seen in header and footers, any of the element can be added. So say for example I want to add here number of pages, so I will click on that, it will say and pages. Then in this, if I want to add what is the date, what is the time, we can, I'll put in the date, and what is the time, I can hit time. As soon as you come out from this, it will show the what is the time, current time is there. So here I'll remove this one. I'll first add number of page, then I'll put, so it is getting here I have to add of, so pages of, page of, number of pages. So now 1 of 14 we can see. We can edit it like in between, if you want to add something we can add it. So now it will say 1 of 14 pages. If I scroll down here, you can see the number got 2, 3 like that we have, right? So it will get changed. Now okay, we'll see in the little bit bottom. Here we have time, yeah, date we have. Now at the front if you want, and each time you refresh or if page get refreshed, no, it will be, the time will be get keep on changing. Now in header what else we have. So we have seen that how we number and number of pages we can enter, the current date and current time we have seen. Now we wanted to some enter some images, so I'll click on the picture, and images from path, from search or OneDrive, wherever you have. So I will select as a path from the path, and I'll go to the desktop where I have one logo saved, I put on that. So as soon as I click on this, you can see that the picture got adjusted here, and it will be visible on the all the sheet. So if I, as of now, if you see, the image is getting merged here, right, in the data. If you want, I don't want that to be happen, what we can do here, we have we can adjust it. Okay, we can have some spaces for the logo we can have. And now I want to have some comment, we can put the text as well. We can enter this one, and this will be visible on the all the sheet. Then we will be having what we want. Let's see if something is sheet name if I want, or path, anything we can. So let's put sheet name or file name. I'll click on this file name, and if you see book 7 is the file name, it getting printed. This is the way. Now we can adjust this one as what we wanted. Now I am clicking header and footer tab again and going. There's 4 more options are there. In this element we have what are the elements we want, we can add it. Then here we will be having the different first page. So first page will be different. It will be, if you click on this, it is going out. It will be like, if you see, it is getting away, but in the second page is available. Just click on this. Even and odd pages. So even and odd pages, like first page will be having and second page will be not be having. If you see, second page do not having, but similar way third page having. So it is even odd. One will be there, one will not be there. Then next option we have, uncheck that one, scale with the document. So what are the footer we have based on the whatever the property on the alignment part you having, it will be get adjusted. But if you want, like for the, if you click that, it will be adjusted. By default it will be check only. If you uncheck that, this will be minor change here, but it will be having its own alignment, not with the document. I'll click on that. I'll check that one, align with the merge page. So if I click on that, if you observe here, it is getting little bit adjusted here. If I as of now it is having its own property, but as per the whatever the alignment you have made. Say for example, I'm clicking here and I'm selecting this data. I'm just changing this little bit here. If you see, it is not getting moved here, but if I select header and footer and click on the align with the page merging, you will get, it will getting adjusted there. So this is the one option is there. Okay, hope you have understand how to we can use header and footer. Say for example, I don't want header and footer, so simply what I have to do, I have to remove all these. As soon as I remove, I can again make it, because that space will be free, so I can just adjust this one. And as of now I don't have any header, but I have a footer available here. If I want to remove that one also, we can remove. And as of now, if you see, this appearance is a different. We have this rulers are here, we can have data is there, but extra rulers are there, and data looking in the as a page setup view, right? It is not looking at normal Excel. So what we can do to bring to the normal, we have to go to the view tab, and here we have the page layout, page breakup and normal. So we have to click on normal view. Once you hit on the normal view, it will come to the normal view. Wherever we are in the like some page preview or custom view, if you are there and wanted to see normal view, you can click on the normal view, and it will be it will come to the our normal view. But again, I want to go to the page setup and see that. If I now try to pin this page, right, if you see, we have the headers like footers here, but we don't have headers here. Hope you have understand so far whatever we covered. Let me go to the topic and see if something I'm missing. So yeah, we have covered all these topics, whatever, like what is, how we can insert header and footer, how we can modify it, and how if we want to delete, how we can delete it. Then how we can insert images in that header, footer, date and time and page numbers, or any custom text we wanted to enter, we can very well we can enter into the header and footer. And that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching.